Okay, I'm
Who's
starting.
there?
He's
What?
playing.
I was starting.
Mary
it.
Booth.
Corn sakes? No, I'm not
No.
gonna say that.
What?
The word that we banned.
Pierre.
That word you're like.
And then,
I paid jewelry just to the flag. United States of America. And to the public will participate. One nation.
I'm so sick of this place.
I'm so sick of this summer place. I'm not gonna say it.
firecracker.
I'm so sick of this beer place.
Lindsay. I got swagger because I'm eating waffles.
What the?
Man,
What the? What is
she
it?
is nuts. Like a nuts.
You gonna finish that?
Yeah.
Come on, woman.
Hurry up, woman.
Is it not for a woman?
Let me slap you.
She's made a slip up like, oh. Sorry. Oh.
Mary Booth.
You're bad, Justin.
I can't handle myself.
How's life, guys? It's a good.
Better yet.
Here.
How's your swag, Lindsay?
Or just ride a wet horse.
It's doing 100% good.
How's your swag, Theo? Is it amazing?
I said to myself, self said
I
what?
told that.
Elbow gear.
Okay.
How's your cowboy swag?
If I want water.
Right in, Lindsay.
I see it. I'm on water.
I said, how's your cowboy swag, partner?
Yeah, she's
Ass a partner.
That's it.
Hush.
Yes.
Huh? When, who, why?
You're bad, dude.
What's the English?
Please do not start that.
I said, bam, bam, bam.
Well, my brother always says it.
What word?
What's the English?
No, I said bam, but that's not a word.
Taste the rainbow.
What the?
What taste of rainbow? Huh?
And Skittles. Taste the rainbow.
That one is funny.
Well, wait till Lindsay. Lindsay, taste the rainbow.
What? Taste the Rachel said that.
Yes.
Would
Taste
you
the
get vodka?
rainbow.
No? Why
Did you get vodka, Lindsay?
No water.
Water first.
I don't drink alcohol.
Give me some that vodka.
Ew.
I
Sick.
bet you would. Somebody.
Yeah.
That's
Water
sick, man.
vodka.
That's so
If someone tricked me by giving me eggnog and they secretly didn't tell me there was,
Yes.
I'll get mad if someone did that.
Oh, I
don't wanna
hate
drink-
vodka. Sick.
Cause rum makes you drunk.
No,
automatically.
rum I hate, because like, me and beer
I like
is
rum
sick.
bummer, but not rummy.
Well, yeah, they said
I
beer
hate
is
beer.
good for you, but I don't
I hate beer. It's sick.
Conspiracy.
Hey, Sarah, since I'm 22, I can drink beer with my dad
I
all
can't.
the time.
I didn't want to call
Oh
that.
Lord, help me.
What?
help us all.
I hate beer. Sick.
Help this college.
They say it's good for you.
No,
I
it's
don't
not.
believe
It's
it.
sick.
Mm-hmm.
Enjoy
Trust
that
me.
crack, Lindsay. Enjoy that crack.
Huh?
You mean like this? Hold on. Since you said crack,
Like this stuff. Like, you remember the,
Cracking bear.
like, you remember what?
Oh, yeah. The crack cocaine.
Ew.
That kind of crack.
Nasty.
oh,
Not the crack.
Let's don't say that word.
I need to borrow them for a minute. Oh,
Blue or black? Oh,
blue. I mean black.
I mean, black.
Blech.
somebody had too much eggnog.
I didn't even have eggnog right now.
Not me. It's tasting
Yeah, I
on
want
me.
eggnog so
Okay.
bad.
What the?
what the? Huh?
What? Huh?
What, the corn sakes?
Corn sakes.
What? Corn the cob?
in here like a second
That's
waffle.
No,
Yeah.
wait.
No,
Thank
I'm
you.
on my first still.
No.
I had Cracker Barrel, so I'm good.
Oh, you did go to Cracker Barrel.
Cracker Barrel is awesome.
That place is good now, Tennessee. That place is good now, Tennessee, man.
You can tell I'm full because I had the big boy breakfast.
Oh yeah,
I
big
need
boy
to.
breakfast.
Bingo. I found it.
That place is good.
Okay.
We're trying to.
Where's Jack at?
Not here.
Yeah.
Well, I mean,
Movie.
he's here. He's in the student lounge. We're watching a movie in there if you wanted to go watch it.
What? Where are they gonna after they're done? Are they gonna watch another one?
Maybe.
Here, Lindsay.
You don't know.
Here's
Oh,
a.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So,
Here's my ornament.
I'm not good with
Mine either.
stars a lot.
You ready to go today?
Hmm?
Are you leaving after work?
Yeah, as soon as I fix my heated oxygen sensor.
and this?
Oh, that's what
That's what it is.
Now, there, Timmy got how the road like.
Ish. Basically, if I don't get it fixed, I get really bad gas mileage,
Oh.
and my car won't get up and go.
Okay, so what?
So getting on and off
looks like a crappy
freeways is
looking
bad news.
No, that's it's okay.
Okay.
$200. That's what that entails.
Probably that big, but they got breakfast
So
is good now.
you have to take it to a shop?
Yeah.
So I called like 4 or 5 different shops. I called my
Well, she
father-in-law
adjusted
who
it.
works
She
on
adjusted
cars.
it.
Yeah.
But it's behind
the-
the catalytic
Oh, what
converter.
the?
It means like I can't get to it without having the lift.